So I'm personally somebody with a whole lot of tech. You can name it, I probably have it or some version of it. If you happen to be someone like me, then most likely you're gonna be on the lookout for a new charger. Today, I'm gonna be talking about a couple of options from UGREEN that will 100% satisfy your needs. So sit back, get some chips, get comfortable, and let's talk about these chargers for all of your tech. First up is the Nexode Mini 45-watt charger. This is probably my most used out of the bunch because it's so small and that allows me to carry it anywhere. As the name suggests, it has a 45-watt output that you can get from either USB-C port. That's right, I said either because the Nexode Mini has two USB-C ports on the front. Compare that to the default Apple charger, which only has one charging port. This means that you can charge two devices at one time, making it a lot more convenient. Speaking of the two ports though, one of them, the one at the top, gives out a 25-watt output while the one at the bottom gives a 20-watt output. This is perfect for charging an iPhone or Android/Samsung phone. Also, it does have the power to charge your smartwatch or maybe even your iPad or tablet. Another cool feature with the Nexode Mini is that it has a built-in power dispenser that adjusts the power output to protect your battery life. A while back, maybe last year, I made a video on how to maintain your battery life and to keep it at 100%. And at the time I made that video, I definitely wish that I knew about these. Next on the list is the Nexode 65 charger. And this is a little bit like the Nexode Mini in the fact that it's small and compact, but it's quite a bit more powerful to charge more powerful devices or more devices than the Nexode Mini. This can provide a 65-watt output to your devices. If you recently picked up an M2 MacBook Air, for example, this can charge that from dead to 51% in just half an hour. So scenario here, you woke up in the morning, you're about to head into the office, your battery is completely dead, but you still have some time because you want to take a shower and eat breakfast maybe. We can plug this in while you're doing all of your other things, and it's not going to feel like it's taking that long to charge your battery to a usable amount to head on out and get some things done for the rest of the day. Like the Mini, this one has two USB-C ports and a USB-A port, and yes, contrary to popular belief, a lot of devices still use USB-A. So I think that this is definitely going to be very handy because a lot of my devices still use USB-A. I like that although this is mad powerful, the design is pretty compact thanks to the chip built inside, allowing it to be 50% smaller than the original 60-watt UGREEN charger. It's pretty small and feels like less of a headache to travel with compared to the MacBook's charger. It also has a foldable plug design that's always a plus when you're on the go. This one again is perfect for home or office travel when you're commuting, or maybe you're at home and you want to charge multiple devices. Again, I like that this one is relatively small compared to any other options. Last but not least is the Nexode 100-watt charger. This one is the big boy, and I call it the big boy because it has a lot of power, but really I don't think it's that huge. This one could charge your iPhone 13 from completely dead to about 60% in half an hour due to the latest chip, making it 3 times faster than the iPhone charger. I have the iPhone 14 Pro, and whenever I complete a workday, sometimes I end with like 20 to 40%, and if I know I'm about to go, then I can easily put this on the charger, get it juiced up without needing to worry about it taking too long. In my opinion, the best thing about the 100-watt version is the fact that it has multiple ports built into it. So it is a 4-in-1 charger. It means that you get 3 USB-C ports and a USB-A port, and they all give you 100 watts of power to your smartphone, your laptop, or even your tablet at the same time. So actually in my office, because I have a bunch of tech things around my desk, I tend to use this, I plug it in, and then I'm able to charge anything that I need to without needing like 6 different chargers in one place, cluttering up the space, especially because I'm moving towards minimalism and cleaning up the desk area. Now, one thing that is big and probably something that you might be worried about is overheating. I can say that it hasn't been a problem in my use with any of these UGREEN chargers, and the reason why is because the Nexode charger has temperature sensors built in that monitors temperature and adjusts power outputs to protect your device. So yeah, if you care about minimalism and efficiency and getting your things charged up so you could do more in the day, I definitely recommend one of these UGREEN chargers. As usual, as I do with a lot of the things that I get on the channel, I am doing a giveaway. So yeah, if you like any of these options, all you have to do is comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and like the video, and that's it. You'll be entered into the giveaway announced almost in 1 month. You should also check out UGREEN's website. They're having a Black Friday sale on right now. So check the link in the description to pick up one of these chargers or anything else that they offer. They really offer some really cool stuff for your tech. So you're definitely going to want to check them out. All right, so that pretty much wraps it up. I hope every single one of you are enjoying your weekend so far. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.